Can I tell you my nightmare now?
You had a nightmare?
Yeah.
I woke you up and you went back to sleep for a nightmare?
No, when I went back to sleep, it was a different dream. So in my nightmare, Osti was on my head.
The chicken?
The chicken. And we were just hanging out together in the field. And then suddenly she stopped moving on my head, and I was like, Osti, where are you? And then I felt her, and she was laying down, and I was like, oh, Osti, you're so cute. And then I took her off, and she was dead.
Oh.
It was horrible.
Yikes.
And then I went into the coop, holding her in my arms, and she wasn't actually dead. She was partly alive. If I, wobbled her around, her wings would slightly flap. And so I did the chicken Heimlich maneuver on her, but nothing happened. I gave her water and tried to give her food, but that was, no, I couldn't. And then I left her there, sitting on a perch, and I ran inside to Mom. She was like, I don't know what to do. And
what is Fiona
Osti
doing?
ended up dying.
Oh. Okay. I'm gonna pause it for a second. This is my friend Sky Rain.
Yeah.
So what are we doing today?
They're showing off their gorgeous horses.
Yes. Yeah. Uh-huh.
Ah! That's funny.
Oh, Sky joined. What is Fiona doing?
Pretty.
I wonder what its name is.
Yeah.
What?
Steffi.
Yes.
Once we finish this video, I'm gonna check on Osti.
Okay.
What's that name?
I don't know how to pronounce it. What?
Pretty. Oh, at first I thought she said ugly, and I was like, but no, it's Lily. Hello. Oh no. Charm. Did you get that name from you?
No.
Oh wait, it's a charmed Arabian. Dumb. I say dumb a lot.
You missed one.
Oh, I did?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I can just rewatch the video.
Okay.
Buttercup. I was thinking, Bucephalus. But
Oak.
Oak. That's such a good name.
Interesting name.
Ugh. You know how I stabbed my eye with my sharp nail?
Mm-hmm.
It still hurts. Ether?
Eddie.
Oh.
What's wrong with your eyes?
I
know
know
you just woke up 5 minutes ago, but still.
Everything is blurry. I mean, not everything. The words are blurry, but... Rhea?
Raina.
Raina, okay.
Woodgrave. That's an interesting name. Like oak.
Smoky.
What?
Last night, Stephanie begged for literally 5 minutes so that we could...
Longer than 5.
Okay, 10 minutes begging for me to listen to Fablehaven with her. Literally begging. I have...
Wow.
Oh, what's the name?
Beauty. Oh, Chloe's outside the window. Do you want to let her in?
Yeah. I have very bad claustrophobia, and she purposely made me claustrophobic, trying to convince me to listen to Fablehaven.
Don't.
I already did, Stephanie.
Okay, I'm gonna go next. I have 40 horses.
40 horses.
I have 40 horses.
40 horses.
Uh-oh. This is gonna take a while.
Maybe you should tell me that you have 40 horses.
Yeah, I'm gonna pause it. Okay. Since I have 40 horses, I'm just gonna show the ones I actually use. So this is Bambi. Everyone knows that.
Chloe's sitting on my leg. Oh, now she moved to your legs. Hey! My legs are comfortable.
This is Phantom. I'm gonna pause it. Yes, so Phantom. Angel. Beautiful, I know.
Gorgeous. Just.
I actually got the leg wraps.
She's half on my legs, half on yours. How cute.
Mm-hmm.
But I have her head.
This is Peony.
That sounded wrong.
Beautiful.
Peony, gorgeous. You never use peony.
I don't. Pumpkin.
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 Emerald.
Emerald.
Because of the green gem. Yes.
Mhm.
Yes.
Mhm.
Breeze.
Mhm. Ah!
Hydra.
Hydra.
Isn't Hydra just gorgeous?
Hydra. Hydra.
Blackjack.
Blackest Jackest.
I don't like it when it doesn't load. Tricks.
Tricks. Tricks, 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 tricks.
Steam.
Steam.
Mm-hmm.
Chloe, do you like my hand?
Star.
Star. Like 5.0.
Something.
Something. 1.0 actually.
Mm-hmm. Acapella.
Acapella.
Warrior.
Warrior.
I love Warrior.
Is that like 2.0 or like 0.0?
3.0.
3.0.
Atlanta.
Pretty. Her tail is pretty. Like really pretty. Like I like it a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Majesty. Like her first unicorn.
Mm-hmm. I got Majesty at level 11.
Wait, are there any other just unicorns?
Only these two.
Oh.
Spoon,
Spoon.
which I don't like.
Which I love.
Hazelnut.
Hazelnut.
What's this video doing?
Hazelnuteth.
I wonder if you can hear Chloe.
Wait.
And I never use this horse, but it's silver. This is Luna.
Wait.
Stop.
Let's see if they can hear her purring. So just.
Yes.
I wonder if they could hear it.
Fern.
Fern. I came up with the name.
What the heck? Okay, Fern. Dagger.
Daggereth.
Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that! Chime, which I
Chime.
love.
Which we actually looked up parts of the clock to get the name of.
Yeah, it would take forever.
Yeah.
Dazzy.
Dazzy.
I don't like any. Jewel. Jewel has fancy tech.
Jewel.
And Ember.
Amber.
Mm-hmm.
And then there's like 20 more.
Okay, that's all.
Really?
Yeah. What's Chloe looking at? Is the moth still in here? I should have killed it while I had the chance. It was just staring at my face.
Is that your skin?
Is what my skin.
Can I put it back?
What do you do to Chloe?
You know her mats under her chin? I was scratching them, and then there's like this part that felt like furry skin.
Okay. Ew.
I'm concerned, Chloe.
Hmm?
Oh, people are talking. What-
Yes, people do be
what
talking.
are they
though.
saying? Read it out to me.
Indubitably.
Indubitably. Read it out to me.
Indubitably. Huh?
I can't see. I'll do no music.
Yes, there we go. Have a
okay?
good day, guys. Yes.
Yeah.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Nope. Nope. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Ah, my emotes aren't working again.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Oh, I know what that sounds for. U, TBO stands for You Do Be Cool Dough.
Bye. Nope. Bye. You gonna say bye?
Oh, bye.
Bye.